First, go to the Play Store. Now in the search section type RDP and press OK. You will get many different apps. Just click on the first apps that's made by Microsoft Corporation. Now click on the Install button. Let your app installing. Your app is now installed. Click on the Open button. Now click on the Accept button. Let's add a server. Click on the plus icon to add a server. Now click on the Desktop button. Click on Add Manually button. Now type your desired IP address. Now drop down Username section. Click on Add User Account. Now type your username and password. Now click on Save. It will save your user account details, so you don't need to put on every time. Now save your server details to click on the Save button. Finally, you can use your server. Just tap on the server name, it will connect you to the server. Click on Connect to enter your server. Now finally you can use your server with your mobile. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.